Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I am back narrating my own vlogs again because I'm still rubbish at vlogging. So the first place that we went to was Pala-U Waterfalls. I think that's how you say it. And we've been told that it was a nice trek, and we just so happened to go on one of the hottest days of the week, which sucked. It was very, very hot. We made it. We have been to the top. We walked down a little bit because there was flies everywhere. We've been absolutely ravaged. Like, full on. I have 2 bites. Look at that, that's not even 1 bite. And we're sweating. Very sweaty.
You're sweaty, you mad? Look at my back.
Ew, this is wet. Yeah. No, it's just wet though. So the drive here was like 2 hours long. And we went through, I don't know what it's called, the national park.
Just some national park.
The national park on the way up to the falls. And we kept seeing, oh, beware wild elephants. So we're like, oh, that's pretty cool. Worried a little bit, just in case there was a dangerous wild elephant. There was elephant poo everywhere. You saw, what was it?
It was one of them, I don't know what it was.
It was like a little ferret thing. We also saw, we don't know what it was actually. We thought it was a dog in the middle of the road, and then it got up and ran out, and it had the fox of a tail. It had the tail of a fox. So I'm not entirely sure what that was, to be honest. Maybe some sort of wild dog. And then we looked at a sign when we arrived, and there's wild bears here, there's leopards. So we are keeping a good eye out on everything, because I would not like to run into a wild leopard particularly.
I would, I think they would do.
And you'd be dead. So we're just going to have a bit to eat and then make our way back down. A bite count.
Is it recording?
Yep. How many times have we been bit? Oh, I've been bit. Oh, go on, Sky, we'll do you first. Come on, show us your bites.
That I'm aware of?
Yeah.
Or, so we've got, I think it's a spot, none. Is that one?
No.
No. So we've got none. 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 1, 2. 2. Should we do Sarah's? You
Arms
ready?
or legs?
We'll start with the right arm.
Okay. 1, 2. Is that it?
Yeah.
That's the score. Right. None on there. 3,
3,
4.
4.
No more?
No, we're good.
I don't think I have any on my actual like body.
Twist. I think that's just a red mark.
Yeah.
4.
Right, okay. About 10 in the same place. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's that? 8,
9.
9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's new. I didn't know that was there. Why me?
I'm great at this.
I want to rip my skin off. Now we need to drive home. It's going to be about 2 hours. Through elephant territory. We just read a sign that says don't go past the elephant if it's on the road, don't beep at the elephant, don't do this, which I thought was just common, like, sense. Yeah, that's the word. There's something crawling over there. I can hear it. It's a lizard. And that was the end of that day, and that's all I got. Another thing that I vlogged was we went to Bangkok for 2 days so this guy could get his work permit. We went one day after work, and it's a 3-hour bus journey, which wasn't too bad. We got there quite late, so we just went straight to our hotel. We are on a bus ready to go to Bangkok for 2 days. Check out the bus. Well posh, leather seats and everything.
Evening.
So yeah, we just had a really nice burger.
Oh, from Burger 31.
Oh, it's called?
Yeah. Or 31 Burger. It was really, really good. It was cheap as well. I got a beef burger with bacon and egg, with a Leo, which is a beer here. And you got a chicken burger and a chapati?
Ciabatta bread.
Ciabatta.
Where are we, Sky?
We're on a bus, train, Sky train. Not the MTR, that's Hong Kong. What's this place called? BTS?
How much did it cost us?
32 baht. That's literally less than £1 for both of us. Yeah, it's cheap, isn't it? It's quick. So.
Yeah.
And it's cold in here. Very cold.
We are in Bangkok and we are going to go and explore. We're going to go to an aquarium, I think. So, I'll just show you the room a little bit. This is the bed. And we've got a big TV. A little thing. And cool bathroom. So on our first day we got a tuk-tuk and the sky train to Siam, to one of the big malls. I can't remember what it's called. I went into Sephora for the first time ever, and Brandy Melville, which I've never been in before because we don't have them in England. So that was exciting, but I didn't have any money, so I couldn't spend anything. And then we went to, I think it was like the Sea Life Centre, which is similar to what we have in England. But me and Sky love zoos, aquariums, things like that, so we had a really nice time there. even this is taken on a different day. I get so distracted when I'm filming. So yeah, that was the first day in Bangkok. That night we went to see one of Sky's friends at Asia Teak, I think it's called. And that's kind of like a market thing. I'm not entirely sure. There's markets, but then there's like proper shops and things. It was very nice, very busy. And then the day after we were up early to get Sky's work permit, and then came back, packed all of our stuff up because we had to leave by 12. And then we just went and explored Bangkok for a little bit. We went on a boat on the river, which I don't like boats, but it wasn't that bad. And then we pretty much went to the bus stop to get our bus back. And that was another 3 hours. So all in all, it was a nice trip. I don't think I could stay there for more than a week, maybe. Bangkok is lovely, it's just very, very busy. There's lots of traffic all the time. It's just a bit, yeah, and hot. It was so much hotter than here. The place that we stayed in was really, really nice. I think it's called Karma. I will leave the link for it down below. That was so nice, such a nice place, and the people was really, really nice, and it was cheap, but one of the best places in Bangkok apparently. I hope you like this video. It's more of a mashup like it normally is. I have a feeling that most of my vlogs might be like this, but I'll try and get better. There will be a new video out soon. I'm not going to vlog until April because we have some exciting things going on in April. We are going up to Chiang Mai for 4 days to see Sky's mum. So I will be vlogging them because we're doing some very exciting things, and I'm really, really, really excited. So yeah, if you enjoyed this vlog, like, comment and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Stay happy. Bye guys.